In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Fiverr. Whether you've moved to a new city or just want to ensure your profile reflects the correct information, updating your location is a breeze. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Fiverr account. Open your preferred browser and head to Fiverr's website. Once you're on the home page, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to begin the process of updating your location. Next, look for the Fiverr icon, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will open Vivi, Fiverr's AI customer support assistant. Vivi is designed to help with a variety of common issues, including location updates. In the chat box that appears with Vivi, type out your concern, specifically stating that you want to change your location on Fiverr. It's important to communicate your need clearly so that Vivi can provide the most accurate assistance. Once you've typed your request, hit enter. Vivi will automatically check and display the location that Fiverr currently has on record for you. This feature is handy as it helps you confirm whether the location information is incorrect or if changes are necessary. If the location shown matches where you are, then there's nothing more to do. However, if it's incorrect, you'll need Vivi's help to update it. If the displayed location isn't accurate, don't worry. Ask Vivi for assistance in correcting it. Vivi may offer you direct instructions on how to make the changes yourself or might guide you through creating a support ticket. The support ticket is a request for Fiverr support team to manually review and amend your location details. Once you've either changed the location yourself with Vivi's instructions or initiated a support ticket, you've successfully completed the steps to update your location on Fiverr. Keep an eye on your email or Fiverr notifications for updates if you've submitted a support ticket to ensure everything is corrected as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to change your location on Fiverr. If you're planning to move again, or if you just need to update your information in the future, you'll understand exactly what to do. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Staying updated with our latest content will ensure you always have the best tips and tricks at your fingertips for navigating platforms like Fiverr. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.